Okay guys, so as you can see, food is done. And yes, I know you recognize those noodles, they're very spicy. But what we decided to do today was step it up a notch. And I put spicy Korean fried chicken in it. And all you Koreans know that sauce is very sticky and spicy. So we just made it hotter. Then I added stir-fried vegetables. And then 2 runny fried eggs. Yes. And then, as you can see in the bowl, the spicy yellow chili peppers. Oh man, it's gonna be amazing, but it's gonna burn. I don't know how much, hopefully not a lot. But you're about to find out. Hopefully you guys get a good laugh. I hope you guys enjoy. The last part, guys. We're back, and I have chopsticks and a fork. It's pretty weird, right? You like to eat noodles with chopsticks. It's just it goes right. It makes it taste better. I don't know why. But for this bowl, if it gets too hot, I'm going to the fork. As you can see, Mama's gonna try to do this with just chopsticks. Yes, congratulations. Let's see how long you last. And then the last part, guys, this is the Korean fried chicken with that spicy sauce. Oh, look at that, guys. Yes, it's so delicious. Yeah. Very spicy. So, I'm ready to eat. Let's eat, guys. Let's see how long I last. Are you ready?
Okay.
You don't look like you're ready. Okay, let's do this. Oh, yes. Get that egg yolk inside my noodles. Yes. Okay. You're gonna drink first. You're gonna run out of drink. You stay away from my cup. We should actually do this challenge with no drinks.
Nah. Spicy.
Yes, guys. This is good. It's very spicy. There's one pepper. Oh yeah, the yellow pepper with the noodles. It's a lot hotter. And since I mixed the Korean fried chicken sauce in here.
But you don't need to eat pepper. It's spicy already.
Because I'm a man. Right, guys. If you like hot food and you're a man, you man up to your bowl of food. Oh! It's tingly.
Spicy.
There's like a tingle in the back of my throat.
Plus chicken, which is
Look at
spicy.
that. Spicy Korean fried chicken. Bite, bite, bite.
We're getting spicy.
Oh. This is so hot, there's like a tingle in my throat. Oh, it's so good with runny noodles. Runny eggs. Oh, so much better. It was very hot.
Mine is not running.
Oh, that's a big one, guys. Look at that. It's the last one, though. It's hot.
You like it?
Let me see, faster. But you know what, guys? We like hot food because it definitely clears the sinuses. Yes, guys. Oh, look at that
There's pepper.
little drumstick. Huh?
There's pepper.
What pepper? Oh, the red one?
Yeah.
I'm starting to sweat.
You want to finish?
It's hot. Of course I'm almost finished.
Yeah.
Fork's gotta go. I mean, see, I just mixed a chopstick with a fork. Chopstick's gotta go. It's been a long day, guys. At work today, I spent 8 hours reading. And when you're doing numbers, we all know that can be very difficult. It's very tiring on the brain and eyes. So I'm talking very dyslexic. Well, my mouth is burning. It's spicy. But this Korean fried chicken goes very well with these noodles.
I think it's more spicy if you drink.
Notice how I barely touch my drink? We're gonna make it, guys. Look, almost done.
What?
Oh, feel like sweat going into my eyes. Can you see it?
Oh.
Can't spit it yet. So, what might be wondering where I got a spoon? The Korean fried chicken, spicy sauce. The bowl is still there with sauce on the spoon.
Yeah, but wait. Chopstick, fork.
Yeah. I can handle the hot, that's why I'm doing this. Yes, guys, done. Yeah, you still got 3 pieces of chicken. You're trying to clear the bone in one bite.
That's fine.
My lips aren't really hot. It's my mouth.
Minus my lips.
You wonder why my lips ain't burning since I got big lips. Come on, 2 more to go.
I'm done. I'm full.
Oh, see, I could have got a month full of back massages, guys. Until next time, guys, we love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Have a wonderful day. Salamat po. See you on the next one. Oh, yes.
Bye.